Are you looking for a headset for Rainbow Six Siege? In this video, I will show you the best headsets for Rainbow Six Siege in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the HyperX Cloud II. The HyperX Cloud was built to be an ultra-comfortable gaming headset with amazing sound. They put a lot of thought into the details of our HyperX signature memory foam, the premium leatherette, clamping force, and weight distribution to create a headset that's comfortable through long gaming sessions. It's no wonder that it's become the preferred gaming headset for millions of gamers. Whether you want to focus on the competition or relax with some of your favorite games, there's a Cloud that's perfect for you. The fourth product on the list is the SteelSeries Arctis Pro. Premium speaker drivers with high-density neodymium magnets reproduce high-res audio to 40,000 Hz, nearly double most headsets and twice what the human ear can hear. From the gunmetal finish on the lightweight steel headband and aluminum alloy hangers, to the soft touch coating on the removable speaker plates, every surface is a sophisticated tactile experience. Widely recognized as the best mic in gaming, the retractable Arctis Clearcast microphone delivers studio-quality voice clarity and exceptional background noise cancellation. The self-adjusting ski goggle headband perfectly contours to your head, while the athletics-inspired Airweave ear cushions wrap your ears in cool, soft fabric for hours of comfortable gaming. Arctis Pro was built from the ground up to deliver the best audio ever found in gaming. Esports athletes demand the highest quality sound, comfort and materials, and Arctis Pro delivers. The third product on the list is the Corsair HS60 Pro. High-quality, custom-tuned 50mm neodymium audio drivers deliver the range to hear everything you need to on the battlefield. Immerse yourself in 7.1 surround sound, creating a multi-channel audio experience that puts you right in the middle of your game. A fully detachable unidirectional microphone reduces ambient noise, so you are heard loud and clear, and is Discord certified for crystal clear communication and outstanding sound. Multi-platform compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One, Switch, and mobile devices via a gold-plated 3.5mm connector, or connect the included 3.5mm to USB adapter for 7.1 surround sound on PC. The Corsair HS60 Pro surround gaming headset delivers both comfort and quality, with memory foam ear pads and custom-tuned 50mm neodymium audio drivers, built to last thanks to its lightweight and durable construction. The second product on the list is the Sennheiser GAME ONE. Gamers seeking the slim silhouette of classic headphones in a high-end gaming headset need look no further than the GAME ONE Open Acoustic Gaming Headset. The GAME ONE's open back ear cups and original transducer technology delivers extremely accurate realism and no-compromise high-fidelity audio. The EPOS-engineered proprietary speaker system delivers natural and organic sound with all the details and game cues needed for instant in-game reaction. Engineered for incredibly natural and accurate, high-fidelity sound, the proprietary speaker system delivers the bass extension balanced with the other frequencies to deliver extreme acoustic clarity, the details of intense game action, and an immersive gaming experience. The flexible boom arm easily adjusts for best voice pickup positioning, and the microphone design minimizes background noise for acoustic clarity and crystal clear communication. The microphone also conveniently mutes when you raise the boom arm. An integrated volume control is built the right ear cup of the GAME ONE headset for on-the-fly adjustments. No need to switch out of your game to adjust the loudness of your game audio. The built-in will allows for quick fingertip control while gaming. The classic slim silhouette and lightweight design of the GAME ONE features a luxuriously padded headband and XXL plush velvet ear pads for maximum comfort. Robust mechanics and meticulously tested materials make for long-term durability. The first product on the list is the Logitech G933. Hear every in-game detail around you with a wireless headset made for serious audio fans. G933 amplifies your gaming, music and movie experience with unprecedented audio quality for all your devices. G933 features Logitech G LightSync technology, next-gen RGB lighting driven by actions in over 300 top games. Customize colors plus effects across LightSync mice, keyboards, headsets and speakers for new gaming intensity. Combine G933 gaming headset with a Logitech G LightSync mouse and keyboard for a complete gaming setup, delivering the most advanced features with next-gen RGB lighting driven by games. The Logitech G933 Artemis Spectrum is a wireless gaming headset worthy of serious audio fans. Designed for multiple platform compatibility, these gaming headphones are perfect for PCs, PS3s, PS4s, the Xbox One and any TV with powered USB or RCA audio output. The advanced Pro G audio drivers deliver expansive cinematic 7.1 surround sound for lifelike in-game spatial awareness. This unique feature allows you to hear enemies sneaking around behind you, as well as special ability cues, immersive environments, and inspiring gaming soundtracks with optimal sound precision. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.